We're fervent compost advocates over here at Epic Gardening. And as a compost fanatic, I collect all my kitchen waste to add into the mix. I've got a countertop compost bin that I use for that task. Kitchen counter compost bins are not all created equal. As everyone's kitchen has unique decor, there's a myriad of styles. Not only are there pretty compost bins, but there's different features to choose from.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best countertop compost bin. So let's get started. Number 5. The Relaxed Gardener Compost Bin. This one may have a farmhouse look to it, but it's an excellent option for the average household. Just under a gallon of waste will fit in this milk can-inspired bin. A plastic liner pail makes it easy to remove the waste material, and there's a filter in the lid. I like that they use steel for the exterior, but to me it seems to defeat the purpose of using steel. Metal doesn't retain odors or stain like plastic can. They've opted to make the inner pail dark in color to prevent staining. But it's still plastic, and it still can have permanent odor issues. The powder-coated steel exterior gives it a rustic look. So does the emblazoned compost on the side. This would look fantastic in a farmhouse kitchen. It may not blend as well with industrial kitchens, but that's style, not function. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Compost Bin. For a plastic bucket, a lot of thought went into this model. It's designed with ease of emptying in mind. But it's not designed for ease of cleaning, which is its downfall. Yes, you can hand wash it, and it works just fine. That's easy enough. But you can't put this model in the dishwasher. The inner layer is attached to the outer, and it's not sealed well. Water can build up between the layers. If you only hand wash, this may be a great option for you. It holds 12 cups of waste, or roughly 3/4 ths of a gallon. The lid does not have a filter, but keeps the scent down. It's made to flip up, which makes adding waste simple, and can be removed to empty. I prefer something a little sturdier, but if you want a good beginner bin, this is a decent option. Number 3. Chef and Eco Crock Compost Bin. This thing is seriously adorable. No, really. It has a little leaf growing out of the top as a handle for the lid. But once we're past the cuteness factor, this is actually a great option for your countertop. The exterior is ceramic with a green plastic inner bucket. The cute little lid hides a filter too. I'm still not a fan of plastics for my compost pail, but in this case, I'd probably make an exception. If you're teaching your kids how to compost, this would be an excellent reminder. And even if you live alone, it'll do the trick. Number 2. Polder Kitchen Composter. Whoever created this knows just how annoying it can be to empty a tightly packed compost bin. And so they went a step beyond any other style. This bin can literally be turned inside out. Constructed of silicone, the bin has a small handle on its underside that allows you to push all the waste out. You can then rinse off the interior and pop it right side out again, making it extremely easy to keep clean. It's also machine washable, an option most other composters don't have. But there is a drawback. It's unusual looking and might not blend with your kitchen decor. The wire frame that supports the bucket stands out a bit from the gray silicone. If that's not a problem for you, this is probably the easiest compost pail you'll find for your kitchen. And it's worth every penny. Number 1. EPICA Compost Bin. This is what I use, and I wouldn't give it up for the world. It does not have an inner pail, but I'm okay with that. My complacency is because this bin is formed of a single sheet of steel. There are no weld joints to develop rust, and no weak spots that might leak. It's solid construction. I will admit that it's not the fanciest option in the world. The interior gets gunked up with assorted waste products. You'll have to scrub it clean. But it's easy to clean and the lid fits securely. In that lid is an easily replaced activated carbon filter. More often than not, I leave the lid off entirely. Most of my kitchen waste gets covered in coffee grounds, so there's little risk of bugs forming around my bin. But when there is a lot of food waste on the surface, the lid keeps pests and smells at bay. That was our list of the top 5 best countertop compost bin just for you.